Titled A Pancake Morning, the story follows Clara, an enthusiastic home cook known for her love of experimental breakfast recipes. Despite her vast collection of international cookbooks and an array of spices, she's realized her repertoire is missing the perfect pancake recipe. Saturday morning dawns crisp and bright, and today, she resolves, will be the day she conquers the pancake. Clara gathers the ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, milk, eggs, and butter, with the optional vanilla extract to add a delicious aroma. She hums to herself as she measures the dry ingredients with care, remembering her grandmother's advice. The secret to a good pancake? It's all in the mix. Clara whisks the dry ingredients together in one bowl. The sound of the metal whisk against the porcelain bowl rhythmic and soothing. In another bowl, she combines milk, cracked egg, melted butter, and for a hint of sweetness, the vanilla extract. Slowly, she pours the wet ingredients into the dry, mixing gently as the batter forms, lumpy but promising. The kitchen warms gradually as the sun peeks through the window. Clara preheats her favorite nonstick skillet, a Christmas gift from her brother last year. She melts a small pat of butter, watching as it slides across the surface, sizzling softly. Measuring out her first quarter cup of batter, she envisions golden brown edges and light, airy centers. Her much-loved wooden spatula rests beside her, ready for the moment of truth. A confident flip is key. As the batter hits the pan, it spreads into a perfect circle, the scent rising with the morning light. Clara watches intently, spotting the tiny bubbles emerging on the surface. With a swift motion, she turns the pancake, revealing the perfect golden hue underneath. Success! A few more flips and soon enough, an impressive stack piled high and warm sits ready for breakfast. Clara takes a step back to admire her creation, the aroma inviting and the sight undoubtedly mouth-watering. She garnishes her stack with maple syrup and a handful of fresh berries, a touch of whipped cream for the occasional indulgence. This moment feels like a small victory, not just for her first flawless pancake, but for the joyous simplicity that cooking brings. As she takes her first bite, she savors not only the delightful texture and flavor, but the satisfaction of having crafted the perfect start to her weekend. A simple reminder that happiness can indeed be homemade.